A very warm welcome to Success EduTech. Today we are going to go to the second lecture of adverbs. In the last lecture we have learned what is the meaning of adverb and what were the types of adverbs. Today we will be going on in details the first type of adverb or the first kind of adverb, that is adverb of manner. Okay, let us go to the first slide. What is the meaning of adverb of manner? Adverb of manner are used to add more details to a verb or action. As we all know, verbs are the action words. Now, to add more details to the verb, we are using the adverbs, and that is adverb of manner. For example, if the verb is run, and we can see in the following sentences, the rabbit runs quickly. So run is the verb, and to add more details to that, how does the rabbit run? The rabbit runs quickly. The turtle runs slowly. The man runs. What can you use for man? You can use anything. The man runs quickly, slowly, the man runs fastly, anything you can use for the man. Let us go to the next slide. Now, adverbs of manner can often be made from the adjectives by adding ly to the end. Now, in the previous example, as we have talked about rabbit, and we have used the adverb quickly. So, what did we add at the end of the word? We added ly. It's a quick rabbit, but when we transform it into adverb, it is the rabbit runs quickly. Now let us go to the next example. If the adjective ends in a y, if the end of the word is y, the alphabet is y, then we are going to replace y with ily. Just remember this very, very properly. It's a note. If you want, you can take up your notebook and write it. If the word ends with y, then you are going to replace y with ily. See the example here. It's a hungry cat. You are going to replace y with ily. The cat eats hungrily. What did you do? hugnry. Y you have replaced with ily. It's hugngrily. Now we can just let me know what can you use here. It moves slowly or quickly. If we are talking about the turtle, it is slowly. If we are talking about the car, it is quickly. But what did we do? We added ly to the end of the word to make it an adverb. Similarly, if we are talking about he and she, he is lifting, so he lifts strongly because the body and the way he is lifting, it's he lifts strongly, and she is the mama and see the baby with care, so she is lifting him or her gently. If we go to the next one, she sings either sadly or happily. So what we did, sadly, and here happy is happy, but we replaced y with ily. Now next one is he cooks badly, badly, or he cooks well. Now let us go to the next one. If you see these words, can you see these words? If you see these words, see this happy ends with y. So we will be writing, there are two columns here. One is ly column and the other one is ily column. So what we are going to do? We are going to select the words from this, and we are going to see where we are going to use only ly and where we will use ily. Okay, so we have used, first one is happy, but here it is ending with y, so it will come in ily column, so it is happily. Y is replaced with ily. If you can see the red letters here, it's ily and we have replaced y. Next word is quick. Quick doesn't have y at the end, so we will be using it in ly column. It is quickly. Next is angry. Angry has y at the end, so we are going to replace y and use ily, so it is in ily column. Next is slow. There is no y, so we have used in ly column. Hungry ends with y, so we have used in ily column. Then sad has no y, so we have used it ly column. Are you clear with these all things? It's very easy, but you have to only remember that if the word ends with Y, then you will replace Y with ILY. If there is no such Y at the end of the word, then you will only use LY. Now let us go to the sentences. This is a test for you, and you are going to let me know whether the answers, you will tell me the answers and I will say whether it is correct or not. He sings, what it will be? Yes, he sings happily. So happily is the answer here. Let us go to the next one. She likes singing and she is a, see the arrow I have put here? She is a which singer? Happy singer. Yes, she is a happy singer. You got it. Now let us go to the next one. The turtle is running and the turtle running how slowly? See the arrow I have put from slowly to the blank? Okay, let us go to the next one. My friend is a dash rabbit. So it's a quick rabbit. Can you see the arrow here? It's a quick rabbit. I don't want to go with him. He drives too quickly. It's the arrow from quickly to the blank. Then let's go to the next one. The bad wolf is blowing the pig's house. How is the bad wolf blowing? Strongly. The next is the baby is crying. Lift the baby gently. Next is he drives very slowly. We will be late for school. Buck is an dash dog, is an angry dog, and he hates cat. So this was all about adverb of manner. Now your work is you're going to find out many such words and you are going to make sentences and write in the comment box that all the sentences. I am giving you a test of 5 words to find 5 words adverb of manner and write 5 sentences of the same. Okay, and please comment it in the comment box, and we will be meeting in the next session with the next kind of adverb. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the session. Have a great time ahead and meet you with adverb of time. So have a nice day. Please like, subscribe and comment in the comment box.